This scripture really speaks to me in the sense that when you pour into things, when you sow a seed, whether it be your time, your talents, or your expertise, that comes back to you. So you can pour, like parents, you can pour into your child, and you may not see the effects of that pouring into them until my daughter, maybe she goes to elementary school and she is giving back what you have. No, I'm not going to go with that. He who sows sparingly will also reap sparingly. I've found this to be true in all aspects of life. If you are trying to start a business and you're not willing to sow your time and energy into that business, then you are going to reap very sparingly. If you have concepts and ideas that are up here and you've not put them down on the paper and taken action, sowed your time into that, maybe you need to put some money into it, it's time to do that. And maybe you're going to see better results because you've sowed more into it. So that allows more to come back to you.